Okay, we are back, and I've just bought a Morris Minor. It's 61 years old. It's had one owner from you, and I've paid £1,011. Let's have a look. Alright, so my Morris Minor is going to need a little bit of work. So let's have a walk around it, and you can see what needs doing. So first of all, there's a hole in the wing there, so we'll have to fill that. It's got some tape here, right? I don't know what is under here. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. A big hole. That's not good. The paintwork's all dull. It would buff up alright, but it does, you can see there's holes in it, there's rust. It all needs painting, so same with this one. The wings aren't great. More rust. But I've seen worse. I've also seen a lot better. And we're going to do a full respray on my drive. This wing's not nice, have a look at that. But it'll all sand down. So the thing is, shall I start with the outside or the inside? Let's have a look at the inside. And by the way, I've got this. I've not even looked at these seats. It's got seat covers on. That's definitely a red flag. So let's take them off and let's have a look. Because if they're bad, I might have to start with the outside. Oh, there's tape already. That's not good. What the hell, man? Alright, so there's a cushion there. I just don't think this is ideal. Oh. Yeah. Oh no, it might need new seats. Let's have a look at this one. Oh dear. I might have to price up some seats. I've took the seat covers off, it's not got any better. I can actually paint leather, but this is bad. They're both the same. And then on the backs are actually good, apart from it's ripped to the top there. So I could either buy some leather, piece some leather in there and just try and like tidy it up, or look for some new seats. So I'll get back to you on that. But next thing, let's see if it starts. Look at this, 36,000 miles on the clock. Probably been round twice, but it has only had one owner in 61 years, so you never know, that might be legit mileage. So to start them, that's a choke. Pull that out. Make sure we're in neutral. Yep. And then you just pull this out. Hopefully it should fire up. Oh, nice. At least it's got that going for it. It will actually start up. So do you want to have a look at the engine? Let's check that out. The engine looks pretty sweet. No leaks, or major leaks or anything. So you have seen the 61-year-old Morris Minor. She's not the best, is she? She needs a little bit of love and attention. These seats, I was going to start just repainting the leather interior, getting it looking pretty, but obviously they're quite bad. I'm either going to replace the seats or try and do some kind of repair where I'll piece some leather in. But what I'll do is I think I'll start with the outside. Full respray. Everything needs sanding down. Get rid of the rust. And just, yeah, do a section at a time, because I'm in England, and if I do a full respray and it starts raining when I've prepped all of it, it's not going to be good. I'm going to have to do it all over again. But we'll start with the outside, make it look pretty again. So like and subscribe, and we're going to get sanding and painting. Let's go. Yo, we've got an issue. Ordinarily, yeah, this would need a brand new wing, but we're on a tight budget, so we're gonna have to figure out a way of budging this up. Fixing it. So get ready for the next episode, as Dr. Dre said, and wish me luck. Peace out.